Umaasa ang defense team ni Vice President Sara Duterte na hindi pagbibigyan ng impeachment court ang motion ng prosecution na ipasabina ang bank, tax at anti-money laundering council records ng Vice Presidente. Gayunman, sinabi ni Defense Spokesperson Attorney Michael Powa na igagalang nila ang magiging desisyon ng impeachment court.
Kung ano man yung naging posisyon natin, sana we were able to justify it. We were able to show that, the issue on relevance, we discussed the issue on relevance, we discussed the issues on the various laws that prohibit certain disclosures. But whatever happens, we'll take it as it is, and we always submit ourselves to the wisdom of the court.
Ayon kay Powa, kung hindi man pabor sa kanila ang magiging pasya, mayroon pa rin silang mga legal na hakbang na maaaring gawin. Nang tanungi kung kabilang dito ang pagdulog sa Supreme Court, sinabi ni Powa na masyado pang maaga para pag-usapan ito dahil wala pa namang desisyon ang impeachment court.
It's too early to say, wala pang desisyon. I don't want a clickbait soundbite, so I'm not saying anything right now. Those are all on the table, but there's nothing has been discussed. It's too premature, and plus all of these things will have to be discussed with our client. I don't want a clickbait. I'm sure everyone's asking for a soundbite, and I'm not going to give you that soundbite.
Samantala, handa na rin daw ang defense team na talakayin ng Article 1 ng impeachment sa mga susunod na hearing.
We're conditioned, and our disposition is that each and every lawyer in the defense team should be able to argue and to cross-examine and to stand for the defense on any given day and for any given witness.
In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Jigo Custodio ng 105.1 Brigada News of Manila, the Music and News Authority.